Hey everybody, I'm going to be discussing the case 8E about the Henrietta Lack's genetic material. First question is, who really owns this genetic material? And this is actually a hard question to answer, and I don't know if there's a right answer to this. One hand, it's been so long, it's been 60 years. These cells have this genetic material has had many patents, which means many institutions have actually taken the original cells, replicated, and changed them. So really, they're not even the original source anymore. So the real question is there even an owner? On the other hand, you can definitely make the case that the Lax family should own this genetic material. But the only real reason why you would actually associate that with them is because they're genetically linked. And that brings on the question, is that actually enough? It probably should be, but like I said, it's been so long. I don't think they really could have had or still have a real reason to claim ownership anymore. Perhaps the best compromise for this was to actually, first of all, they should have told them earlier, but also to give them more recognition and also at least give them some monetary compensation for the research that was inspired from the original cells. With that being said, I actually found that there are some institutions who had made profits off the cells that are actually given back now. So, like, for example, this one institution has given monetary gifts to the Lax Foundation for scholarships for higher education of descendants of Miss Lax. So that's actually a good thing to see. The next question is, should these private interests be able to patent somebody else's genetic material? I personally don't believe so. Technically, it's not really supposed to be illegal for somebody to patent somebody else's idea or invention. In this case, the idea is the genetic material that wasn't originally owned by these companies that patented it, and really that is associated with the original owner. But on the other hand, in the case of donations of your genetic material, that's where my mindset changes. I believe if somebody actually freely donates their genetic material, especially for the greater good and research purposes, they are actually, or they shouldn't be entitled to profits. Once you give that consent that you're donating something, you actually lose your right of ownership.